Step 5. Making yellow cross. And to do that is like this. So in this case, there's already two pieces that forming a cross. And this two pieces is here. So if the case is like this, the one piece is facing you and the other piece on your right, you use this algorithm. F R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime F prime. So now we formed a cross. We also have other cases like this, in where the cross is like this and the two pieces is opposite to each other. If the case is like this, one of the two pieces should be facing you. You can choose either this or this. So if it's facing you, we do this algorithm. Eh, So if the case is like this, we do this algorithm. So F R U R prime U prime F prime. So now we form the cross. So sometimes the case is like this. There's no yellow cross that can be formed. If the case is like this, we still use this algorithm. So F R U R prime U prime F prime. And now we have these two pieces. And as you remember earlier, I have already tackled this case, which is like this. The one piece should be facing you and the other piece should be on your right. And the algorithm is like this. F R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime F prime. And now we formed a cross. Step 6. Solving yellow face. If the case is like this, you do this algorithm. So L prime U2 L U L prime U L. If the case is like this, you face here, you do this algorithm. R U2 R prime U prime R U prime R prime. If the case is like this, you face this side. So it goes like this. R wide U R prime U prime R wide prime F R F prime. So if the case is like this, so the algorithm will be like this. R2 D R prime U2 R D prime R prime U2 R prime. If the case is like this, then the algorithm goes like this. R U2 R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U prime R prime. If the case is like this, so you need to face this side and do this algorithm. R prime U2 R2 U R2 U R2 U2 R prime. Do this algorithm. So F R prime F prime R wide U R U prime R wide prime. Step 7. Putting all corners to its place. So after you solve the yellow face, you need to orient all corners to its right spot. So this is on its right spot and this is on its right spot. So the two corners should be on your right side, and you do this algorithm. R u r prime u prime r prime f r2 u prime r prime u prime r u r prime f prime. Usually, only two corners is not on its right spot, but in this case, four corners is not on its right spot. So to do that, these two is swap, and these two is swap. So we need to do the algorithm two times. So first we swap this, so this should be on our right side. So we do the algorithm. So this is now on its right spot. So we solve this one, so this should be on our right. So we put this here, so now it is on our right, and we do the algorithm again. Step 8, solving yellow edges. This case goes like this: m2 u prime m2 u2 m2 u prime m2. If the case is like this, one face is already solved, but these three edges is not. The algorithm is like this. So m2 u m u2 m prime u m2. If the case is like this, one face is already solved, but these three edges is not, then the algorithm should be like this. So m2 u prime m u2 m prime u prime m2. The last case is like this: no faces is solved, and these two is swapped, then they should go here, and they should go here, and also these two is swapped. So you should face this one, so this is swap, so you should not face this like this, so you should face this like this. So m prime u m2 u m2 u m prime u2 m2 u prime. So the advice that I should give to you is, when you are learning to solve a Rubik's Cube, you should go back to this video if you encounter new cases, and practice it a lot. If you confident that you can already solve it, then you should memorize it on your own and should not go back on this video. But if you forgot how the algorithm works, then go back to this video. So that's it, guys. I hope you learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube and go on with your journey. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.